In this module, we will learn the inputs, tools and techniques, and outputs of the monitor communications process. Monitor communications is the process of evaluating the execution of communication performance relative to the plan and requesting changes to improve future communications. Similar to other monitoring and controlling processes, the purpose of this process is to ensure that project execution is following the plan. In this case, that means ensuring that the project communications are in line with the communications management plan. The PMBOK guide defines 5 inputs to the monitor communications process. The project management plan includes other subsidiary management plans and baselines, such as the communications and stakeholder management plans. These may describe the frequency and approach that will be taken for the monitor communications process. Project communications, the key output of managed communications, may include the reporting of project performance and the status of deliverables. The issue log is the documentation of project conflicts that may exist between the team or stakeholders, the person responsible for solving those problems, and how the issue was resolved. Work performance data is collected information on performance such as schedule progress, deliverable status, and budget spent. It's an output of the direct and manage project work process. There are a few tools and techniques defined for the monitor communications process. Information management systems include a variety of tools to help the storage, retrieval, and distribution of project documentation and other project information. These can include physical and electronic formats and may be part of the overall project management information system. The stakeholder engagement matrix helps to map the desired and actual engagement of project stakeholders. It will be discussed further in the modules for stakeholder management in Chapter 13. Expert judgment and meetings are common tools and techniques used to describe the experience and expertise that the project management team, consultants, and other project stakeholders may bring to the management of project work, as well as the collaboration that must take place among these stakeholders. There are 2 key outputs for the monitor communications process. Work performance information is the evaluation of work performance data against planned baselines to create comparative metrics on scope, cost, and technical performance. In communications management, this may include the status, communication speed, completeness, or accuracy. Work performance information will be an input to the monitor and control project work process, where it will be consolidated and used for generating performance reports. Change requests may be issued by the project management team to help correct projects needing improvement or to prevent performance issues in the future. This may trigger an iteration of the plan communication management or managed communications processes. The monitor communications process may also create additional project documentation and updates. This may include updating the communications or stakeholder management plans, the issue log, or project records and lessons learned documentation. Monitor communications is the process of evaluating the execution of communication performance relative to the plan and requesting changes to improve future communications. Similar to other monitoring and controlling processes, the purpose of this process is to ensure that project execution is following the plan. In this case, that means ensuring that project communications are in line with the communications management plan.